radiant floor heat. And at this particular build, the customer actually wanted the radiant floor heat. So as you see here, it looks like a bunch of Legos on the ground, and they're actually, the risers on them are about 1 inch tall. And the purpose for that is to bury the PEX. As you can see, it's the pattern through the PEX. And what that does is it's gonna run hot water through a boiler system and heat up the concrete. So doing that, it's called the radiant floor. So when it heats up in the wintertime, all the radiant heat goes up, just like regular heat. Through the whole process of this, from the start, we level everything out. We get the footers, the stem walls, and this is a slab on grade. We get the footer, stem wall all done. We level the pad out after the plumbing's done, and then we just start kind of laying these down, and they actually interlock with one another to create a pretty decent seal. And then you run the PEX all the way through, usually about 1 foot apart. These are right at about 1 foot apart here. It kind of butts right up to the 8-inch stem wall that we have up here. But over here is where all the pipes and all the lines come up into the boiler system. So you actually have your manifold system. So right here where I'm walking by is actually going to be the shop area. So this is going to be our quote-unquote barn-dominium. So up here, this is the shop space here, and then we venture into this aspect, and this is going to be the living conditions here. So off the back, we're going to capture this beautiful view that we have here, and we're going to have kind of a halfway walk around balcony that you're going to really be able to absorb that view. But right here, as you can kind of see, this is where the manifold's going to connect all the lines. They come up, and then it's we have it on pressure right now just to make sure that there's no air leaks, there's nothing like that. So this is the manifold for the shop side, and then we have the manifold on the interior for this is the house side. Guys, I hope that answers a lot of you guys' questions. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.